North Reef Island is an island of the Andaman Islands. It belongs to the North and Middle Andaman Administrative District, part of the Indian Union Territory of Andaman and Nicobar Islands. The island is lying 156 kilometers, 97 miles, north from Port Blair. Geography. The island is in the North Reef group of islands, which also includes Latouche Island and Shark Island. It is on the eastern shores of North Andaman. Administration. Politically, North Reef Island, along neighboring North Reef Islands, is part of Digley Port Tessel. Fauna. North Reef Sanctuary is located on the island. It is dedicated to the nurturing of a variety of water birds. Transportation. To arrive at North Reef Island, you have to reach Interview Island. To reach Interview Island, the only way is to charter a private fishing dinghy from Mayabunda Jetty. From this island, you can try reaching North Reef Island. Andaman and Nicobar Islands Travel Guide from Wikivoyage.